Hi everyone. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Today's math concept is counting and numbers. So we're going to share some counting books, do a counting activity, and first sing a counting song. So stay tuned. Will you sing a counting song with me? This song is called 2 Little Hands, 10 Little Fingers. Here we go. 2 little hands, 10 little fingers, 2 little hands, 10 little fingers, 2 little hands, 10 little fingers, count them all with me. 1, 2, 3 little fingers, 4, 5, 6 little fingers, 7, 8, 9 little fingers, and one more makes 10. Now I have 3 counting picture books to share. The first recommendation I have is Baby Goes to Market, written by Atanuke and illustrated by Angela Brooksbank. This is a beautiful picture book set in an African outdoor market. And we go through, as Mama and Baby go through the market, there's a lot of beautiful pictures and movement, and we get to count along as Baby receives gifts from different vendors in the market. This is a great one for counting practice. My second recommendation is called One Fox, a counting book thriller, written by Kate Reed. This is a fun one because, like, as it says in its title, it is suspenseful. It has kind of a twist ending, which I'm not going to give away. Again, beautiful illustrations, bright colors. One famished fox. Some good vocabulary words. Famished. 2 sly eyes. 3 plump hens. And then it goes on from there, but if you want to know how it ends, you'll have to borrow it from the library. One fox. And then my final pick is one of my favorite counting stories to read aloud in story time. This one is called Grandma's Tiny House, a Counting Story by Janae Brown Wood and illustrated by Priscilla Burris. And this is another picture book about family and friends that are going to Grandma's house for a celebration. And as we go through, we get to count the friends and family as they show up to Grandma's house with all of the delicious goodies that they bring with them, until it gets to the very end and it turns out that Grandma's tiny house is maybe a little bit too tiny. But they work it out in the end. So check this one out too. Grandma's Tiny House. All right. Now I'm going to show you a fun math activity that you can do at home. So this is a hidden numbers game. So all you need is a baking sheet or any type of tray. I'm just using a disposable metal tray. Some rice on top. I have some beautiful rainbow rice, but you can just use white rice. You can also use flour or sand. And then underneath the rice, there's a piece of paper that has some numbers written on it. And we're gonna try to uncover those numbers using a plain, dry paintbrush. So it's like a treasure hunt. So we're gonna look for the numbers in here. Let's see what numbers we can find together. There's a number. What number is that? 68. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, there's a number. What number do you see here? 5. All right. So again, this is a fun activity you can do at home. You can also do it with sight words or with letters, drawings. You can have your grown-up write words on the paper, and then you just use your paintbrush to find the different images or the different words underneath. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.